Finally home. This week has been so long. And it's only Tuesday. Oh, hey babe. You're home early. Didn't you have that big presentation at work today? Oh, you left right after it was done. Well, I can see why. No offense, but you look like hell. Yeah, you said you were on your period this week, but normally it doesn't rough you up this much. Bad cramps and a migraine? Oof. Double whammy. I'm so sorry, baby. Hey, if you've been home for a while, why haven't you changed into more comfortable clothes? Work event tonight. No way are you going to that. Because you're going to be miserable the whole night and wish you'd stayed home. Come on, admit it. Cramps and a migraine? That's all you'll be thinking about. Have you at least taken anything for it? Sweetheart, I know your go-to method in handling these things is just to tough it out, but you have to listen to your body. It's begging you for some self-care right now. Yeah. And if you won't do it, I'm going to have to do it for you. Now go take a shower and put on something comfy. I'm going to call your boss and tell them you can't make it tonight. Do I look like I'm kidding? Go take a shower. It feels good to be the bossy one once in a while. There she is, looking better already. And probably feeling a little better, I'm sure. Yes, I called your boss. They said no worries about not being at the event. Now come on. Let's get you settled for a nice, relaxing evening. Lie down on the couch. I got your favorite pillow and your fluffiest blanket. Okay. Here's a glass of water. Take these. One is for the migraine and one is for the cramps. Good. Those should kick in relatively soon. I'll put the water right over here in case you want more. Now we'll just stick this heating pad right over your belly. Nice and warm, right? And I'll get this blanket all tucked in around you. All right, now for that headache. I'm going to come over here behind you and put some of this on your head. It's a tension-relieving gel. Should help relax your head while that medicine's kicking in. I'm just going to rub it on your forehead and your temples and the back of your neck. See, isn't that nice? Where did I get this from? Well, remember when we were on vacation and we went to that spa and you told me not to buy anything because it was overpriced? Yeah, I didn't listen to you. But aren't you glad I bought it? Well, you're supposed to be relaxing. Shh. There. And finally, the most important piece of your period comfort package. Here. Eat it. It's chocolate. Satisfies the cravings and it's good for your soul. Yeah, we can order takeout later. Whatever you want to have. See, babe? You don't need to just tough all this out. I'm happy to help you feel better. Yeah, Mother Nature can suck it. She's no match for my healing powers. You should try to sleep a little bit, maybe. It might help you fight off that migraine. Here, I'm just going to shut off a few of the lights. Here we go. Of course I'll sit with you. I can stroke your hair and hold your hand. You want me to sing? I just don't want it to bother you with that migraine. Well, tell me if it gets to be too much, okay? Close your eyes. Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty-night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. My sweet sleepy girl. I hate seeing you in pain, but I'm so glad that I'm here to take care of you. Sleep as long as you need. I'll be right here when you wake up.